Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Epson ET 2750, and now I'm gonna show you how to change inks on this device. So on the right side of your printer you have inks. So here we have tanks for inks, and to open it you need to just open this panel. It's very easy to do, and as you can see here we have the several banks for inks. Here we have black color, so colored black. It's normal black color printer using for black and white printing and for color printing too. So sometimes we have two black in the printers, black for black and white printing and black for colored printing, but here we have the printer for photo printing, so here we have only black color ink. So if you wanna change it, so you just need to open this one and just tank this back, and that's it. And the same you need to do with cyan, I think it's red color, and yellow. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.